In this video, we're going to take a look at widgets. If we head over to Appearance and Widgets, this is the way of accessing the widgets from the back end, from the dashboard. As you can see, with a currently active theme, which is Astra, we have the main sidebar, we have the header, footer bar section 1, footer bar section 2, and 4 widget areas, all of which we can add widgets to. If we have a look on our left side, we'll see all the range of different widgets that are available. These will differ based on the plugins you have installed and the theme that you have active. If I go and expand one, you'll see with the search, I can customize the title. Recent posts, I can customize the title and the number of posts that will show. Archives, title, and I can choose whether it should show as a drop down or a list, and I can show the post counts in each of the archives. Categories again, similar to archives. The meter box isn't one I recommend, it just contains a load of WordPress links. The header's empty at present. We have a look. I would add a widget into the header somewhere. Footer bar section 1 has a text area. You'll see this widget, the text widget, is quite flexible. It's a WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. Very much like the edit post and edit page screens. You can switch between visual and text. Text allows you to add HTML without it getting converted in any way. If you try and add HTML onto a visual mode, it will end up scrambling it. We close that. We have a look through some of the widgets here. So we can assign the audio widget to any of the sections here, or we can drag and drop them. Personally, I think it's easier to drag and drop them. But the one thing I will say about widgets is they're a little old-fashioned in the WordPress ecosystem these days. If you're using Elementor, Beaver Builder, Thrive Builder, or any of the other builder platforms, Divi included, then the tools that you have available to you to create modules are far more advanced and flexible than the widgets that are available here. The other way to access widgets is from the front end. If I switch tabs so that we can see the front end, and I go to Customize, once that's loaded, if we go down to Widgets, open the main sidebar, you'll see here we have a series of the widgets. We can also add a new widget. Add pages, for example. Done. You can see it instantly reflected here in the bottom of the sidebar. Click Publish, and then back. As you can see, there's a message here to say your theme has 7 other widget areas, but this particular page doesn't display them. That's why only the main sidebar is available here. If you go back, you'll see the main sidebar here. So when you're on the customizer, keep in mind which widgetized areas are available in that current template. That is pretty much all there is to widgets. If you use a theme that relies on widgets, great, that's how you use them. Personally, the way I build WordPress websites these days, I don't use widgets at all. I completely replace them with front-end editable sections using either Beaver Builder or Elementor.